Menteri rang ba kejela kondat kisang ma haka arpo tarik jemang ulabu mau nong rem nak benta pentre ya bun teli bahagi projek kampen roy bakot palat sispa san folklor nak benta ke Tura. Kini ki kentup ya kejing pentre thamai ya kan najing bazar bakentup ya kejakapan yang kali ke hotel bat kejakapan syong dukan madan. Nang ta kejakapan yang kali babun kerdan bat cinema ha dakop gre kabanyam hadu ars pa teli ki kali ka cinema hall ka badon light ligi screen ki jaka ya lekai bat jaka bam bat ka jingpen baha ya ka SMRLC building nalor kini kan kentup kalenti yat kejat badap dagi jingro halor ki mati thau bat deiriti arts and culture promenade badon bat ka museum ki park ki khna ka CM youth center bat ka jaka na ka benta ki balano karta hakani ka jingalang lawan nation benta da CEM ka GHEDC MDC chairman ka Tura municipal board JD Sangma ki he officer na katanat urban affairs kinong mikmat na ki shnong kinong yalam shnong bat kinong shong shnong na ki kentoy paper hakani ka jo kasni ula samru yaki check sha ki barikor hapo ka chief minister artist engagement scheme pan kershan ki Samla badan sab kathan Lapalait ru ekatura municipal board mobile application ban penjana ya kajing jing shakri ban wanra eka khut ke suba bat ban kentiu ya kajing terekam lagi core digital bat bun kiwe ukon rat ula pente bag sorkar kalayat ban pendan kampurano daki core digital ha kajing shakri ya ki ba ban pentikna ya kajing terekam bah kajing stat bat kajing shai ha ba penslur ki nong snong bakin senyang lam ya ki lar kilenti ha ba ya dei bat kijing bag sorkar ka ya kendo
Tunang kapabili sa memory ma, memory ko nga redevelop ang skinga, ini pasako change ang skinga. Memory building ko din siya maki infrastructure ko siya chachawa, di ba facade ko siya daw redesign kayo mo, ini kamba already kamba logic, sa kapesara ko mo section kajo, contractor ba kamba ba siya ha? Next. Yan daw kamba kayo next. Yeah, working women's hostel. ये बात सुनी खातों के निगंजा स्टेडियम दी कोसाकोन ओ दो डिग्री से sorry there is no hostel sorry ये दो डिग्री होसा women's working women's hostel दिबा खातों के निगंजा नी मतलब वहाँ hostel दिसा next ये काम बात है next yeah so obviously the TPP motto 5-star hotel next Iran sini obviously ki Samla sports complex Makamni Dewan football stadium ko sini kantian sini kaha deba isang sibak kino yan integrated indoor complex ma arino swimming pool ma basketball court badminton court ground squash court inapa gym inapa internal work ma in fact major part project yan football stadium is only about 40 crores 45 crores Yes, yeah, indoor parts around 70-75 crores. Yeah, but September 1st round ni ko inaugurate na sa China. Yan siya sama sa gini birthday ni Salo. China indoor section ko China inaugurate na Sonia. Next. Oh, yan pato ko ni sa track and field. Wag kusako lukatina cha. Kursiba kusako yan hostel facility okay. Yan ko sa yan ni contract ko ba alon ka so kamba pa China. Next. Better. Yeah, that's the convention center. Yani Khamba obviously ongoing. So Yana TikTok, Amsni printing stationery, obviously Isamo, Amsni Patogan Nisa Stadium Sokmas Ka. So convention center outdoor facade, public area. It's like an amphitheater. Performance round, garden round, okay, clock tower, obviously beautification. Now conference hall, convention center, our rooms run by and 61 crore project. Advanced stage of outcome round. Next. It's beautify skinga. It's a bridge ko tourism oriented bridge ko it's an ongoing project, already sanctioned, already work is going on, started 16.51 crores. Our side huts and log cabins number okay. Tourism now. Next. Redevelopment of Najing Bazaar with our foundation store okay. Next. Yan okay. Enough design okay. Najing Bazaar. Next. Yan multi-level parking in cinema hall at Smelsi. Smelsi opposite Smelsi. Well, Smelsi plot to the bus Smelsi ni Paksao next door. Tikta Kanchni Commissioner of Divisions Office ni Makao Smelsi ni Smelsi Sokmas Khan plot Malisa. One of the multi-level parking and cinema hall ko sungai yang dapat tangkap facility section tajuk designer final paha dan 51 crores project. Next. Same one. This is the concept design. Next. So Tura to Tura promenade, basically Samla Sumanera, actually PS Samla road. The PS Samla road ko Chukubakwama arrival junction only all the way up to Balongri. Sorry, only up to PS Samla Stadium. I'm sorry. The second phase okay, up to Balongri. The arrival junction only PS Samla Stadium na amaya facade ko na skinga uni maneno sa footpath ko na skinga street lighting na ko lagi thang updates na skinga and overall beautification na ko skinga but obviously around sa public ni naksani ko ng gain may na thang temporary structure ang mga so warang ko may amicably ko kae akan ke mandram baksa understanding mo jina ko de takna magin one labat ka problem waktu baca tahu kamera ko apa sini ha, aru name kubongi jika aku jadi darah ko beristirahat lagi jar, darah ni livelihood ko efek lagi jar, sekarang ko main itu suka lagi, ya kamu ko baca apa sini ha, tapi ini project cost, maka pesa mungkin bisa ready kayak unjuk, juga ya basically promenade bisa tentang sungai next, ya langsung oke, ya dia bisa change itu.